Hey everyone, imagine you're pressing the clutch but your car won't start, or worse, the engine shuts off while driving. You check the obd2 scanner and it shows P0824 up and down shift switch input circuit. This means your vehicle's gear shift switch isn't sending the right signals to the ECU, which can cause serious shifting problems. But don't worry, in this video, we'll break down what P0824 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0824? The P0824 trouble code appears when the upshift-downshift switch circuit sends incorrect or abnormal voltage signals to the ECU. This switch is responsible for detecting when you shift gears, especially in manual or semi-automatic transmissions. Common symptoms of P0824: gear shifting delays or failure to change gears, transmission stuck in one gear also known as limp mode, unresponsive manual shift mode for semi-automatic vehicles, check engine light turns on, engine may shut off unexpectedly when shifting. If you're facing any of these problems, let's locate the shift switch and related sensors to diagnose the issue. To fix P0824, you need to inspect these key components. Up and down shift switch, also called shift selector switch. Location: on the gear shifter assembly, usually near the base of the shifter in the center console or mounted on the transmission. Function: detects when the driver manually shifts gears and sends signals to the ECU, Transmission Control Module or TCM. Location: mounted near the transmission housing or under the dashboard. Function: controls shifting based on input from the shift switch and other sensors. Clutch pedal position sensor for manual transmission cars. Location: near the clutch pedal assembly, usually on the firewall. Function: ensures the clutch is fully pressed before allowing a shift. Wiring harness and connectors. Location: runs between the shift switch, ECU and TCM. Function: transfers shift signal data for proper transmission operation. Fuse and relay for shift circuit. Location: in the fuse box under the dashboard or hood. Function: protects the shift circuit from power failures and voltage spikes. Common causes of P0824: faulty up-down shift switch. The switch may be worn out or sending incorrect signals. Loose or damaged wiring. Broken wires or corroded connectors can disrupt shift signals. Faulty transmission control module. A failing TCM can misinterpret shift inputs. Misaligned or stuck shift lever. The gear shifter might not be engaging the switch properly. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A damaged fuse can prevent the shift switch from sending signals. How to fix P0824. Step 1. Check the up and down shift switch. Use a multimeter to test for abnormal voltage readings. Step 2. Inspect the gear shifter assembly. Ensure smooth movement and no stuck components. Step 3. Examine the wiring and connectors. Look for corroded or frayed wires near the shift switch and TCM. Step 4. Scan the TCM for additional codes. If other transmission codes appear, the TCM may need reprogramming or replacement. Step 5. Test the fuse and relay for shift circuit. Replace if blown or malfunctioning. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the P0824 code and check if shifting improves. The P0824 code can cause frustrating shifting problems, but diagnosing the shift switch, wiring, and transmission module will help you fix it quickly. Watch these related videos next. P0514. Battery temperature sensor circuit high. P0515. Battery temperature sensor circuit low. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.